How to create Wise account. In order to create a Wise account, open your browser and go to wise.com, or you could use the Wise application. Click on the sign up button located at the very top right hand side of the screen. Now from here, simply enter the email address you'd like to use for your Wise account. Once you enter the email address you want to use, click on the next option over here. It might ask you to check your email. So we'll simply open our new tab and we'll check and log into our email address. And here you can see there is an existing account with this email. So if there is, you can click on the login button. Otherwise, you can simply enter a newer email address which you want to sign up with. So let me just try that again and log in using my secondary email address in this case. Once I've done that, now I can click on the next option again. Again, it will send a link to my email, which I can simply log in using the other account. And once I get there and receive the link, I'll be able to set up and create a new account. This way I'll be able to create a Wise account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.